If we're given two specific points, we can find the slope of the line that connects the 2 points, that passes through these 2 points. And if you remember, the formula for slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Or a lot of times you'll see the rise over the run. And by rise we mean up or down, right? Up or down. And the run is either left or right. Okay, and the points that we're talking about, when we talk about the x and y, remember our coordinate pair is always a pair of numbers, right? Our x and our y. X is the horizontal direction from the origin, and y is the vertical direction from the origin. So here are my 2 points. I have -3 and 7. And so I'm just going to remind myself, I'm going to call that my first point. So that has an x and a y, but I'm going to call that x1, y1. And my second point, I'm just going to call x2, y2. Okay? And so there we have it. So now we can just plug into our formula. M equals y2. So my y2 is a -6. And my y1 is a 7. So minus 7 over my x2, which was 2, and my y1, which is a minus, I have to x1 minus, and then it's a -3, right? So now I just do the math. So -6 minus 7 gives me a -13. And then a 2 minus a -3 gives me a 5. So my slope is -13/5. Okay, let's try one more. So here is a second, 2 more points. I'm going to call these again my x1, my y1, and then my x2, and my y2. So let's just write down our slope formula. That's m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now I'm just going to start plugging in. M equals y2 is -9 minus y1, which is minus a -3. And then I have an 8 is my x2 minus a -4. Okay, so I have, that's just the same as -9 plus 3 over 8 plus 4, right? So I have -9 plus 3 is -6 over 12, and I should reduce that, so that gives me -1/2.